Alright, so we got everything buttoned up, oil cap's back on, oil filter's tight, the drain screw's tight. Last thing we're going to do, we're going to start it up, and then we're going to watch and make sure that our oil pressure gauge, or our oil pressure light doesn't come on. So we're neutral, on ignition, start her up. See our oil light's blinking right now? We're going to watch and make sure that goes away. Alright, so it's not going away, so I'm going to shut off the bike. Alright, so you did your oil change on your motorcycle, and now your oil light's blinking. Won't go off. It's going to look something like that, right? I'll show you how to fix that. So, what you're going to do, locate your oil filter. Mine's right here. Loosen it a little bit to the point where you can loosen it with just your hand. Now, once you've done that, you're going to start the bike. You're going to loosen that for just a couple seconds, and a little bit of oil is going to spill out. That's fine. But you're going to loosen it, you're going to tighten it right back up. And what that does is it burps the system. It gets the air out of there, so it primes your oil pump. And that should fix your problem. We're going to do that. Alright folks, we're going to try the burping method on camera. This could go really bad or pretty good. We're going to see what happens. So, I'm going to start the bike. I'll reach down here, loosen it a bit, a couple seconds, tighten it back up, and hopefully that primes the system. So, let's test this theory out, boys. Alright folks, we got oil leaking everywhere, but we got the light off, so we'll just tighten it back up, should be good to go.